To the graduating class of 2026, congratulations. This is a huge milestone. Tonight marks your completion of your apprenticeship training as carpenters, floor layers, pile drivers, mill cabinets, and millwrights.
Honestly, it's been a journey. I felt like it went by pretty fast. Being hands-on, doing a bunch of different stuff, I felt like helped sharpen me as a carpenter.
Unlike a lot of graduates, you know exactly where you're heading next. That's the beauty of the apprenticeship model. What EASCTC has built here that you have now completed and from which you are graduating is a program that doesn't just teach skills, but launches careers. You can walk from here and say, I'm a carpenter.
I'm proud to say that your instructors and your team here that brought you along for the last 4 years are now part of one of the biggest training funds in the entire United States of America. That's why we will continue to invest in the future leaders of the construction industry. We are the best trained, we are the highest paid, and we are the most professional. So don't ever forget that.